Vertex Pro Antrorata is a premium type of food supplement that offers a wide range of benefits sa ating health, either for prevention of disease or even for the support and treatment or therapy ng disease. Vertex Pro Antrorata kasi is a food supplement made in Taiwan. It is composed ng mga top-grade patented ingredients galing sa 4 different countries. It is a scientifically formulated nutritional supplement na ginawa talaga to aid and support for our health and well-being. It consists of ingredients like the patented Antroja camphorata, which is a very rare and expensive mushroom na makikita lang sa Taiwan. It possesses a potent effect for protecting our liver. Meron din itong anti-cancer and tumor property. It even enhances our immune system. That's why this mushroom is often called as the ruby of Taiwan's forest. Andyan din ang patented fermented red ginseng na galing naman sa Korea. This variant of red ginseng has the highest amount of what we call the ginsenosides out of all its varieties. It also has a wide range of benefits that includes anti-inflammatory properties. Meron din itong anti-cancer and tumor properties at maganda rin ito for the regulation of our blood pressure without altering our heartbeat rate. The next one is the patented yeast beta-glucan. Source naman ito from a century-old manufacturer ng yeast products sa Norway. Itong ingredient na to were supported by many human clinical trials and proved to have a potent benefit pagdating sa modulation ng ating immune system. Meron din itong benefit sa pag-speed up ng recovery period ng mga pasyenteng may karamdaman. The last one is the patented fukoidan. That is an extract of a seaweed na makikita naman sa karagatan ng Okinawa, Japan. Okinawa being a home of centenarians or yung mga taong namumuhay ng 100 taon na. Aside from their lifestyle, another secret to their longevity is the fukoidan. Fukoidan has a potent benefit of anti-aging that gives vitality to our cells. Another one is the fukoidan also induces cell apoptosis or programmed cell death to all cancer and tumor cells while giving vitality sa ating mga healthy cells.